Hi, today I'm here to talk to you about how Utilities Kingston responds to a water line freezing. To help explain how it works, we'll show you some key components that are underground as well as the plumbing you will need inside your home. This will help reduce the impact if your service line does freeze. The PVC water main is what we have underground. The service saddle and service line is what takes the water and connects it from the water main to your home. Highlighting some of the different materials that you'll find in the city of Kingston. We have lead or PEX or poly, various sizes of copper that will tell us how we will respond to your service call. So the next part of the water service is at the property line. So we have our standard curb stop, we have Y services, and then we've also added a vintage old Y service valve that you may see in the city of Kingston. This is the curb stop valve and the water box that allows us to access the valve to isolate your water service. And this is what everyone sees at the property line. Just to show you some of the things you might see in your home, we have our water line that comes through the floor to our isolation valve. Water then travels up through the water meter and into the rest of your home, where you might see different types of materials like copper or PEX. So as the water service comes into your home, there's a couple different types of isolation valves that we might see, the ball valve style and compression style. If you have a compression style valve, you will need to have a plumber come in and install a ball valve for access for our thawing equipment. So the reason for the ball valve is it allows us to put our water thawing equipment into the service line where the compression valve does not. In the event we are unsuccessful in thawing out your service line, we can supply your home through temporary potable water hose through your hose bib connection. This is the thawing equipment that we use to put hot water into your frozen water line to thaw it out. When we come to your home, this would be the ideal setup for us to thaw your service. A plumber would have a ball valve installed and a small piece of copper for us to insert our equipment to thaw your service. This is the connection that we're going to use to thaw your water line. The next step is to insert our thawing equipment into the service line to start the thawing process. What we do next is we push the thawing equipment out through your service line till we found the spot where it's frozen, and then we start to push hot water into your service line until it thaws. At this point, we will temporarily reconnect your service to reinstate it right away, but we would recommend calling a plumber for a permanent repair. So we want to keep your water flowing to prevent refreezing. We recommend having one tap flowing at about 1/4 inch. Remember, please call Utilities Kingston immediately if you suspect your water line is frozen. And for more information on how to prevent your line from freezing, please visit utilitieskingston.com.